Now our next task is entering bill of material. Bill of material is just the recipe management system to manufacture that particular finished goods that contains certain raw materials to manufacture. Now, for example, now this company has two products, shirts and pants, which are finished goods of this company. And to produce one shirt, there is a recipe involved. Cloth A will be used 2 meters in one shirt, and bukram is 1 meter, thread is 1 cone, and button shirts are 8. And similarly, there is a recipe of pants. Now the unit of measure is mentioned down below here. So let's see that how to create that finished goods and how to link it with that particular raw materials and mention that quantity required to manufacture this shirt. So I'll go to inventory and click on item list. Now I'll click on new. Now since it is finished goods, so I'll give the code FG001 and press tab. Now first item is shirts. Now since it is finished goods, I'll not buy this. Instead, I'm manufacturing it in-house. So I'll just click on I sell this item and I inventory this item. Now in the inventory section, I will select finished goods as my inventory, and income for tracking of sales will be sales product 1, or you can change it to sales product 2 even. Now I don't buy this item, but you can select cost of sales as well. But for now, let's ignore it. I will check that if the configuration is saved without mentioning cost of sales, then we will continue with it. So let's go to selling details. Text code is not mentioned, so I'll select GST free. Now here is the most important part, auto build. Now here we will define the recipe. You will just click on item number once and it will open this configuration page. It's asking you the question, list what it takes to build how many items of inventory. So always remember then that whenever we are mentioning the recipe, in most of the cases, recipe is defined for one unit only. Means if we have properly defined what it takes to make one shirt, so obviously the same quantity will be required even if you want 3000 shirts, 4000 shirts. All the raw materials will be consumed in the same proportion as of one shirt. So I'll select that I'm mentioning the recipe for one shirt and it takes these raw materials. Now what are the raw materials? Cloth A, 1 meter, tab, then is bukram, one meter, thread, 1 cone. Actually cloth is 2 meters, so I'll make it 2. And button shirts is 8. So 2, 1, 1 and 8. All okay. Click OK. And click OK to save. Now I need to specify cost of sales as well. So I'll just select one and click OK. Now here is my one finished goods created. I'll click new and create the second one, FG002. Second one is pens, and I sell this item and inventory this item, so it takes automatically all the configuration. Selling details are set to GST free. Auto build, I'll just click here. One pant recipe is 2 meters of cloth B, 2 meters, then is bukram, which is 1 meter, then comes thread, so thread, 1 cone, and zips, 1 zip, and 1 button of pants. So all okay. Click OK and click OK to save. So this is how we create finished goods recipe management system in MYOB for the manufacturing company. Now our first page of the initial configuration is completed now. Now that means we are live on the system because we have put the ledgers and their opening balances, the customers and their opening balances, and the inventory configuration as well as the inventory opening balances. Now just go to the starting of this assignment first lecture. So I've attached both of these files. The second page, you can download it from there. So the second page is this one, or you can download it from this video as well. So basically these are day-to-day activities now. As we have done in Zenrid is that after the opening point comes day-to-day activities. That means we are live on the system. So let's move to the next video and start doing these one by one.